Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef for the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. And today I'd like to show you a recipe to make a cheddar and ground beef croissant casserole. Now what I'd like to do with that is I cook my ground beef off ahead of time, and I'm going to mix in there some sliced mushrooms and some diced onion. And that'll be the perfect base to the bottom of this casserole. I'm just going to put that into a baking dish here and even it out. And then I'll take a pre-made croissant dough and I unroll the whole thing so I get the whole sheets. And we're just going to put that right on top. Okay? And now, to give it that extra little goodness, I'm going to sprinkle on some cheddar cheese. And now the cheddar is going to go kind of around and right on top. Okay? So with the ground beef already cooked and everything, it's ready to go. You're just warming it up, and then you want your croissant roll to get nice and browned in there. So you put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, and it'll come out absolutely perfect.